Well, good Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Tuesday. But I'm here to tell y'all I got home a little late today, so I apologize for the lighting. But I wanted to give you an update on the shade projects that I'm working on over here at my home in the sticks, and also something else that I worked on over the weekend. So give me a second and that's what we're finna do. All right, y'all, here we go. There's them shade cukes. Look how big them jokers are getting. They done started growing out the little tendrils. So as you can see, I'm starting to point them towards getting on this wall right here. So them jokers have grown really well. I'm watering them every day, and they're just looking really good. See some more tendrils coming out right here, little feeler things. And what I did was I actually added another 20-foot section of wire going this way. So I have all this wire right here, and then I have all of this wire right here. So hopefully them cukes will get their grow on, and they'll have plenty of wire to get up and crawl on, and hopefully give Dan some cukes here in a couple of months maybe. Let me show you the hay bale rack. There it is, decomposing away, if I'm not mistaken. I did in a couple of videos back when I was working on this hay bale rack, I told you I was going to bring y'all back like on day 9 when I started using the 10-10-10 fertilizer. The weather's just been so crazy and awful over here. Half the time it was raining in the afternoons when I got home, so I just went ahead and did it, and we pretty much on day 13 right now, if I'm not mistaken, either day 12 or 13. But it is decomposing real well. It's a light brown. What I have here is just the old temperature gauge that I got from the Walmart. And let's give this guy a look and see what kind of temps it's working on. Stick it on down in there. Let's see what we get. $85, $87. Just taking this from several different places. 100, oh, 104. Looks like it's really cooking on this end. 111, 112. I guess it's doing what it's supposed to be doing on this end. I don't know what's going on this end. I don't know. Hopefully Mr. CB will watch this video, and he'll be able to tell me what he thinks on it. It's almost like one side of the hay bale is heating up quicker than the other. Now then again, I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing taking temps on this hay bale during the day when the sun's possibly hitting the hay bale. I don't know. I'm kind of under the assumption that hay bale is just going to cook from the inside out, possibly, I guess. But that's what's going on. That's what's going on with the hay bale rack. So let's walk over here by my shack, and I'm gonna show you something that I worked on over the weekend. Look at there. Apologize for the light, y'all, because it's starting to get dark out here. But here's one of my Tuscany cantaloupes. I actually got this thing on sale from the Lowe's, I think it was. It's just an old basket, and I put a burlap sack in it. Actually added some wire here all the way across, and I actually have some wire right here. And I'm gonna try to get these cantaloupes to do the same thing that the cukes are doing. Hopefully get up on this wall right here and just get that grow on. Kind of thinking if I have to down the road, I may add another piece of wire from here to there possibly, and from here to there possibly. I sure enough had me a dang wall of watermelons. I mean, not watermelons, melons, cantaloupes, hopefully. So I worked on that over the weekend, and I wanted to share that with y'all. So this is gonna be a quick one, y'all. And Lord of mercy, it is 7:45 in the evening, and it is just hot as all get out over here. So y'all, again, I hope everybody's having a good Tuesday. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan sure enough gonna always say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. You get your shine on. and we will see you and y'all in the next video.